Let's walk through the process of installing exterior aluminum Bahama-style exterior window shutters. This guide is the second in a series that begins with measuring for aluminum Bahama shutters. For installation, you will need the listed items. Additional resources may be required. Unpack and inspect the shutters immediately after delivery. The shutters arrive with the top hinge pre-attached. You may wish to hold the shutter in front of the window to establish the exact placement and desired hinge position. Divide the width of the hinge by 8 and round up. This gives the number of mounting screws that need to be used to secure the top hinge. Mounting screws are not included and will need to be obtained from an independent supplier. The type and length needed varies by project. We are using number 14 corrosion-resistant self-drilling roofing screws. If installing to brick, consider using 1/4-inch Tapcon concrete screw anchors. There are cap screws on either end of the hinge joint. Release one of those screws with a Phillips head screwdriver and slide the top portion of the hinge away from the shutter. Mark the first 2 hole positions, 1 inch from either end of the hinge header. Then, equally space the remaining hole locations. Drill at each point with a 9/32 inch bit, or one slightly larger than the selected installation screw shaft. Raise, hold, and center the hinge header at the top edge of the window. Secure the far right screw. Some siding may require drilling a pilot hole first. Level the header and screw in the far left side. Use of an impact driver is most effective. Proceed to fasten the remaining screws. Tightening with a socket wrench may be necessary if using a standard drill. Slide the shutter back into the top header and return the cap screw. Position a Camel bracket about a 1/4 inch away from the lower edge of the shutter with the bubble hole on the side opposite the shutter. Align the holes so the locking pin can pass through the bracket and into the hole on the side of the shutter. Affix the bracket to the wall with the same screws used on the top hinge. Fit 2 nylon bearings into the opposing holes on the larger end of one of the corrugated extension support poles. Insert the included threaded stainless steel screw through the support pole located on the same side as the tension knob. Tighten the screw into the hole on the side of the shutter. Do the same on the opposite side. Now, line up the lower support pole holes with the Camel bracket. Insert the locking pins, but don't connect the shutter. Lift the shutter, which will extend the support poles. Tighten the tension knobs when at the preferred angle. For storm protection, release the shutter to hang vertically and use the locking pins to hold the shutter in a closed position. Z-clamps are included with Hurricane Bahama shutters and are optional for the decorative line. They provide additional strength in the event of an impending storm or hurricane. Position Z-clamps on either side of the shutter and in line with each substyle at the bottom. Bahama shutters can be ordered with integrated sliding pin latches. With the shutter hanging vertically, extend a pin latch out 1/4 inch. Align the middle of a Camel bracket, pushed to meet the end of the pin latch, and screw into place. Identify where the pin intersects the bracket. Lift the shutter and drill a 9/16" hole in the near wing of the bracket at that location. Repeat the process on the opposite side. The shutter will now lock quickly by releasing the tension screw on the support pole, lowering the shutter, and sliding and tightening the pin latches through the locking holes. Shutters ordered with pin latches will not receive or require Z-clamps. The installation is now complete. Shutterland is committed to helping you select the best exterior shutters for your windows. Visit us at shutterland.com to view our full range of styles and materials, along with detailed specifications, pricing, and ordering. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for great tips and helpful information about exterior shutters.